We're finally tackling these 5 acres of woods, but it isn't just about thinning trees. If you saw the video, the state said good luck, so I brought my tractor. You know, they basically told me that the drainage here was my problem to solve. I gave it a shot back then and it helped, but good enough isn't what I'm going for. Today, we are going to do it right. This saw has been a beast. Didn't give me a single issue. I actually tried out some generic Amazon chains and they've been awesome. I only had to sharpen them once. Definitely a win here. If you want to see if this actually fixes the water for good, or if I'm just getting myself into a muddy mess, hit the subscribe button. We've got 5 acres to go and a lot of ground to cover. Something I've picked up on this project. If a tree has a lean to it, there's a high chance it's rotten inside. I've dropped about 4 leaning trees so far, and every single one was hollow in the middle. I'm piling the small branches here to mulch them with a coyote later. The original plan was to clear the small stuff first and then hit the big trees. But somewhere along the way, I completely forgot the plan and just started cutting. see me using the tractor to pile up debris. Now, I told myself I'd move these piles later, but I was lying. I looked around and realized I already had several piles for months. So I decided to be honest with myself and started hauling everything to the log graveyard up the hill. I was struggling to stay on task, which is how I ended up bush hogging this spot. I'm glad I did though. It really opened the canopy to let the sun hit the forest floor. I started to hear thunder, so I had to move fast. It's better to get these piles stuffed away now than to try and move them in the mud. You might wonder, why am I doing this by hand instead of using the tractor? Honestly, there are some really deep ruts here, and with the rain coming, I didn't want to risk burying the coyote. Plus, I figured I could use the exercise. Here's where we are at. It's progress, but there's a long way to go. Next time, I think I'll bush hog under the canopy first, clear everything under 8 inches, and then move to the big trees. It'll keep me from feeling so overwhelmed. Thanks for watching, and join me next time as we keep working through these 5 acres.